G'day viewers, Mickey Waters here. Today we're talking about ARB shocks and springs, and we're going to look at putting a 2-inch lift on the FJ. So the FJ is probably 6 years old now, and the standard Toyota springs and shocks are a little bit worn, and we need to sort of lift the FJ up just a fraction. Here in Australia, best you could do, pretty much in Perth anyway, in Western Australia, is 2-inch. You're not allowed to go 3, 4, 5, 6 inch lift. To keep it legal, it's a 2-inch lift. So I rang around, I rang TJM, ARB and a few of the other mobs, and I've ended up just sticking with ARB for now. They're in Canning Vale, not too far away, and we're pretty much, they were all pretty even in price, I could say. So I ended up going with the ARB Old Man Emu shockies and springs, not the BP51, which are the bypass shockies, the standard Nitrocharger Sports. They're the ones there. So they're the shocks and springs. So we're going to whack them on, but what I wanted to do first was just check the height of the car and just see if we get close to sort of 2-inch once it's finished. The car's fully loaded, well, not fully loaded, but the car's how it is when I just standard load. So it's got the drawers in it, it's got the fridge in it, pretty much it's got all the gear in it that I leave in the car all the time, and when I'm driving, when I'm touring. And what I'll do is I'll measure up the height of the vehicle now, and then we'll get the new ARB shockies and springs fitted, and we'll measure the height up afterwards, and we'll just see if we do actually get 2 inches for the 2-inch lift. And let's see how we go. Enjoy. So that's the rear spring there that we're going to be changing out, and the shockies around on the front side, which is a bit hard to sort of see. Try and get a better footage on that. So that's your shocky on the front. So there you go, might be able to see there what's going on. So rear spring and shock standard at the moment. Oh, there you go, better view on the rear shock and spring. So that's your spring up the back there, and that's your shocky. So that's at the back on your FJ solid axle. Good view of the front. That's your spring there, standard coil over spring, and coil over spring over shocky, and that's your shocky on the inside there. So they'll rip that out, and we'll be whacking the new spring and shock set up there. Well, that'll be enough to tell us, say 35 inch, if we can get somewhere close to 37 with the 2-inch lift from that little measurement there. And the way I've got the car set up at the moment, yep, so car's pretty level. Yep, got the car level on the driveway, so that's where we've taken our measurements from. And what we'll do is we'll line it back up in the same spot after we've had the suspension installed, and we'll check the height, go from there. Had the 2-inch lift fitted now at ARB, and just measuring the car up, and looks like we've made 2 inches on the front and back. So we were about 35, we're now about 37. There's the new rear springs fitted and the new shocky. There's the front shocky viewers, the Old Man Emu fitted up. So a wheel alignment's been done, tyre rotation, everything looks good and it drives sweet. Thanks for watching, viewers. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up and a like, and also if you've got any comments, yeah, just stick the comments down below and I will endeavour to reply to any of your comments. Hopefully I can put a few more videos together, and we'll see you all sometime in the future. Enjoy life.